How to make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on plus your story icon at the top left corner. Now here you can record a video or upload any story content. And here, once it's ready, just tap on the music icon shown in the top right side of the screen. Now from here, simply search for the song that you want, and once you have selected the song, simply tap on the timer icon shown in the bottom left side of the screen. And here you will notice that it only lets you to choose up to 15 seconds of the song. But here is the trick to bypass that limit. So discard that first story and instead create a new story with two clips. They can be images or videos. Make one clip around 10 seconds and the other more or less than the same. Now select both clips together when uploading your story, and on the first part simply add your music by tapping on the music icon and choose your song, and remember where the first part ends. And now on the second clip, repeat the process and select the same song and continue from where the first left off. And that's it. Now you have extended your Instagram story music using back-to-back clips. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.